Hello friends and good food lovers, you are welcome back to Shapla Kitchen. My name is Chef MMN, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple recipe. We're going to be making puff puff. So the ingredients we are going to be using are flour, powdered milk, this water, sugar, yeast and salt. You can as well add your vanilla essence if you want to, and for people that want their puff puff to be spicy, you mix everything and allow it to proof before you add your pepper and onions. So guys, let's get into the video. I'm going to drop the measurements in the description box. This is a commercial puff puff recipe. For those of you that wants to do business, you want to supply small chops, you can use this. You can actually do away with this powdered milk, is optional. Alright, you can use warm water, or if the weather is warm, you can use water at ambient to still give you what you're looking for. So we are going to go ahead and mix all our ingredients. I'm adding my powdered milk. My flour is already sieved. I've sieved this. Okay, I've sieved this. I'm adding my sugar, salt and yeast. Mix everything together. And add your water. So you're going to mix this thoroughly until you have a smooth batter. Let's go ahead and mix. So guys, at this point you are going to beat this till it becomes smooth and fluffy. You can see that it still has some lumps, it's not smooth. For you to have a smooth consistency, you keep your hands like this and just go like this. Smooth and elastic. So at this point I will stop beating, cover it and keep it in one place and allow it to proof for 35 minutes. But the proving time actually depends on the weather. If I put it in a one place, it can prove maybe 25 minutes, and sometimes it takes up to an hour. So just check it. Once it's double in size, your butter is ready for frying. I'll let it sit for 35 minutes in a one place so it can double in size. So I have my butter here and it has proofed for an hour because of the weather. Woo! For you to know that your butter has proofed nicely, you'll see things like this. Once you start seeing these bubbles, you know that it has proofed nicely. And secondly, you will notice that it has doubled in size. That's when you know that it's ready for frying. If you are adding pepper and onions to make it spicy, this is the right time to add it before frying. I'm not adding pepper, just want to fry it like this. Before you fry, just heat it and release the air. Beat it a little bit. So we'll go ahead and fry it. You can either use your hand or you use the batter dispenser. So guys, you can see how this is looking. Guys, when you are frying your pork, make sure when you are frying your pork, make sure the oil is hot. You don't fry with low heat, so that the pork will bounce on top like this. This is what makes it soft and fluffy. You can see. So guys, I have here super yummy, soft and very delicious pork. You can use this for your business. You can use this recipe for your small chops and you will love it. Please, if you watched this video till this very time, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you for the support. Thank you for always stopping by. If you are new to the channel, please join the family by subscribing to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.